You feel like your arms are a little bit flabby? Oh no, girl, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are doing one of your favorite things ever, which is ta-da, working those arms. For this workout, this is a little snippet that I pulled from my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. It is the best fitness community out there and the best workout program that exists, facts. So I will leave that link down below. So for a tiny section of this workout, we use no weights at all, so you don't need anything. And then for the other part, I did use 2-pound weights. If you've got 1, 2, or 3-pound weights, or you can do this entire workout without using any weights at all. So let's get this arm party started, and I'll see you on the other side. And you're gonna go down and up, that's it, and down and up. Try to keep the elbow and the shoulder at the same height here. It's down and down, good. It's not in our neck at all. Your neck should feel so easy here. Now I want you to single arms. It's single, good, single, and I'm just kind of bouncing here just to keep rhythm. And single, good, that's it. You got it, press it. And press, woo, feeling those shoulders, right? You should. Very good. Reach up, reach out, and reach up, and out, that's it, and up. And up, reach it, and really think of where is that movement coming from here. Good, now stay here and just press down. Good, keep going down. You got it, 2 more sets down. Perfect, last one and down. Good, now just slap forward. Again and forward. Keep going. Good, you've got it, last one and forward. Perfect, stay here. Go out, ballerina. Reach it out, ballerina. And it's out, ballerina, and out, ballerina. Keep going. And 6, whoo, 7. Good, stay in those ballerina arms, do little circles. 3, 5, whoo, 7, reversing circle. 3, 5, 7, good. Reach and reach and reach and reach. A little bit of core here with those arms. Good, keep going. And reach. Good, you've got it. Stay with me, just one arm. Go up, press down, and up, press down, up, press down, up, push it down, and up, press it down. Really push it down, up. It also gets in that core. Other side, we go up, press it down. Ooh, up, really feel that oblique fire up, up. If one side feels a little bit stronger than the other, that's totally normal. And up, whoo, up, and up, and very good. Circle up and around. That's it, circle up and around. Circle up and around, opening up the chest. Last one, and up and around, and perfect. Let's go ahead and pick up our weights here. I'm using 2 pounds again. You can do 3 pounds if you wanted to. My neck has been feeling a little tight, so I'm going a little bit lighter. So that's important for you to know, because if you are feeling like you need to adjust your resistance or your weights, it's totally fine to do that, okay? So let's start with our palms facing forward here. We're just gonna do regular bicep curls. But of course, we are not regular. We are transformers, right? So I want you to really squeeze the core, squeeze in the belly. And 6, that's it, 7, and good, and excellent. Bring it up to shoulder height. Bicep curls here, and squeeze, very good. 3, good, really pulling the belly, and 4, beautiful. And 6, that's it, perfect. Now stay here. You're just gonna go halfway and just pulse. 2, 3, 5, 7, do it again, little pulse. You're holding that contraction in the bicep and also getting some of the muscles around the back here. Good, now rotate your palms towards each other, open, squeeze the shoulder blades and close and close. Open, squeeze those shoulder blades and close. Now what I'm not doing is popping out those ribs. Close, good. Open and squeeze and close. That's it, so we're working the back muscles here. And around the chest, open and squeeze and close. Don't let those arms start drifting down. We want to keep them up. Good. That's it. Last one here. Squeeze and close. Now up to tempo. So it's open and close. That's it. And open and close. Very good. Really open up the chest. Feel the back really talking to you here. And 6. Perfect. Good. 7. And good, and excellent. Stay here. You're gonna press it up, pull it down. Press it up, pull it down. And it's up and down. That's it, and up and down. Really find fluidity in that movement here, okay? And squeeze, and up. That's it, and up. And now stay here. You're gonna do alternating bicep curls and squeeze. Keep those elbows close to your body, squeeze. Let's go into hammers now. Hammer curl. 3, 5. Wasn't that so amazing? And here's the thing, I want to make sure that you ladies, especially those of us over 40, know that you absolutely can get fit at any age and any stage of life. And that's exactly why I created this brand new free masterclass, Fit and Fab Over 40. So I will leave that link down below in the description box. It is a completely free masterclass that is chock full of value for you, so you'll definitely want to check that out. But if you want to continue keeping this party going and you want to do some weightless arms, you want to check out this workout next, and I will see you over there.